We all know Japan is a very unique country and that not many places in the world can be compared with it. The culture, the history, food, and the place itself, it's something that you can't find anywhere else. Today, we'll list out the main points that make Japan such a unique country. So let's get started. Number 1. Bizzare flavors of KitKat. Chili pepper, wasabi, sweet potato, grilled corn, soybean, salt watermelon, mango, green tea. That's only a short list of KitKat flavors you can try in Japan. Which one would you try? Let me know in the comments below. Number 2. Polite slurping. While in many other countries, slurping is considered rude. Well, in Japan, it's a way to show your appreciation of the dish. If you don't slurp when you eat noodles, then the chef will think that you don't enjoy the food. Oh, that's cold. So let's slurp together. Number 3. Blue traffic light. They use a blue color instead of green for traffic lights. The reason for that hides in their language. Historically, there was only one word for both colors. When the traffic lights first appeared in the country, they were as green as anywhere else, but that green color was still called blue. To make things right, the government decided to use the bluest shade of green possible. Number 4. Cleaning classes. Japanese kids learn how to clean in many schools because it's a part of their education. They mop their classrooms and hallways, do dusting, and even clean the bathrooms. Teachers believe it's a great way to raise responsible citizens. Number 5. Futuristic toilets. Toilets in Japan are very high-tech. To use one, a person should know what all those buttons are for. There's a variety of functions including heating the seat, spraying warm water to clean the user up, and even playing music. Number 6. Space-saving parking lots. Since Japan is a densely populated country, they don't like to waste space. That's why their parking lots have a smarter system. They are designed like multi-level garages. Number 7. Millions of vending machines. The people who live in Japan value their time, which is why they use vending machines so often. So you can walk up to a vending machine and purchase French fries, hard-boiled eggs, pet food, pasta, clothing, even electronics. Number 8. A chair to hold your bag. Whether you are sitting down to eat at a restaurant or if you are sitting in a classroom, you need to push your bag on the back of your chair, right? Well, it's not uncommon for that bag then to slip off the chair, and that can be annoying. The Japanese decided to find a solution to this annoying problem. They created chairs with a special notch to close your bag on the chair. If you ever visit Japan, you won't need to worry about your bag slipping off the chair onto the floor. Number 9. Trains with foot spas. There are millions of people in Japan who commute back and forth to work by train. They use this time to read, nap, maybe listen to music. Well, in Japan, you can enjoy your train ride and relax at the same time, and this is due to the foot spas they have added to their trains. You can buy a ticket on a special train in Japan that has warm foot baths to help you relax on your way back home. By the time you get there, you'll already have unwound from your busy day. Isn't it amazing? Number 10. Capsule hotels. If you're visiting Japan and you need a hotel room just to sleep before you venture back out in the morning, you can sleep in a very unique hotel. Each area consists of just a capsule large enough for you to sleep comfortably. The capsules are side by side and on the top of each other. If you plan to stay in one of these very inexpensive hotel rooms, you need to be quiet. If you disturb the other guests, you'll be asked to leave. Number 11. A heated table. These heated tables were created in the 14th century and they have been better developed ever since. The Kotatsu is a table with a blanket that is heated from below. You go under the table and under the blanket and you could warm yourself up very quickly. Number 12. The ability to sleep at work. Japan is the only place where you're allowed to fall asleep on the job. They even encourage it. The action is called inamuri and it means present while sleeping. This means you can take a nap right beside your boss without getting into any trouble. And that's all for this video. If you learned something new today, then give this video a like and share it with a friend. And here are some other videos I think you'll enjoy. Just click on any video and have fun.